Okay, step number 3 is where we let them see it and design it. So what we do here is we introduce a 3D configurator that's customized to fit your exact product. And we give people the opportunity to start playing with all the options that you offer. So they can configure the product in real time, get a 3D visual of how it will look like, play with all the options to get to a configuration that works for them, change the colors, add additional equipment and stuff like that. And yeah, in this section is where we actually engage them. So they become highly engaged. They've seen what's possible. They play with it. They design their own product, and they know now exactly what they want the quote for. And something happens behind the scenes. So we call it the configurator effect, which basically means the leads that come out of this 3D configurator are a lot more advanced than what you currently get through your contact forms. So a regular lead submits their contact information along with a message of what they want, and they have no idea what it is exactly. They don't know what it costs. They don't know exactly what's possible. They message the same thing to 5 or 10 companies, but most of them just want more information. They're not yet ready for a quote, and that's why the close rate is very low. On the second hand, on the configurator, they get their dream design. They see it online. They know what options you offer. They know what's possible. They get a price estimate immediately after they request a quotation because it's automated. They spend 2 to 10 minutes learning about the product and all the options. They are more serious, so they obviously decide faster. So maybe at this point, Matthew and Stuart, you can offer your point of view. What's changed when Configurator was introduced into your sales process? Matthew, want to start?
Yeah, so well, since obviously using it, we obviously have a lot more. Well, we do close more sales, so it's a lot easier either in the showroom using it ourselves with the clients, or even them looking online. We find that some people will build their entire room. We've got different cladding options where they can choose like the front, the sides, the back. They can interchange the cladding. The fact that somebody spends time to like look at the front, look at the side, and apply different claddings to all the different orientations shows they're obviously really interested. Same with the doors, the windows. You can see that they're spending a lot of time. So for us, that's obviously a lot warmer lead. So when we're speaking to them people, they do have a good idea of what they want. It's more just about firming things up, like whether we deliver to their area, and obviously, yeah, for full costings bases. So yeah, we just find the quality is a lot higher if they build through the configurator.
Good. Stuart?
Yeah, I think customers certainly buy into the whole process, as Matthew said. They're designing their dream pergola or garden room or whatever it is, so they're really engaged. So when the lead comes through, it's already jumped to sales stage. So we go from a marketing qualified straight to a sales qualified because they have the pricing. So it's less headache on the follow-ups. Yes, you will get some drop-offs where that price is beyond what their budget is, but great, you've discarded them already from the funnel, so you're not wasting time then giving them an estimate and then following them up. So you're focusing on the ones that are actually genuinely interested and moving them forward. And say, because they've designed it themselves, they've been through that process, they've understood the product, they're coming in further down the funnel. So our task now is ultimately to get them over the line. We're not having to do the first bit, which is give them the estimate and then do the follow-up. They're that bit further down. So in terms of time management in the office, it means we get through the inquiries faster, but we're dealing with the inquiries that need our attention rather than dealing with every inquiry, of which a number are not relevant because they're not our customer. So yeah, it makes a big difference to time spent in the office, and the quality of the inquiries that are coming in are far better.
Good, thank you. Okay, so one thing that is important to mention here, we run a line of pre-made 3D configurators that are available to use to all the companies. So we run currently 7 products, and we are adding new ones every month. So you can check this section on our website. And a pre-made is actually a template that can then be very quickly customized to fit your exact product. So if you sell a pergola that has different profiles, different options, it can be customized really fast. I'm inviting you to check this on our website to see if your product is already supported. We are also running a coming soon section in this part of the website. So the products that are currently in the making are also advertised on the website. So you can sign up on the wait list to be among the first to start using them. And this is a nice way to see what's in the making for the next 2-3 months. So check them out. You can also try a demo directly on our website of each of them to see what's